This is a tutorial for your handstand butterfly. So ideally you will already have your inverted crucifix, which looks like this but upside down, because we're going to be taking the weight through that transition and into the hands. So let's just go for it now. I'll talk you through it as we go. There's a few very specific points that you have to focus on, and one of the main points that I always kind of have to correct when I'm in person with people is that they need to pull the chest away from the pole. So before we even think about going upside down, I want you to do that a few times. So it's like my chest is fully in contact with the pole, and then I push away. So it's like I rebound off it. So off. That's the kind of action you want to use when you're upside down. And it just allows you to use your flexibility a little bit more in this position. So let's have a little walk through it. So I'm just going to go upside down. Hands off. There. Hands down. I'm going to turn to the side to show you. So I've got my right leg in front of the pole. I've got my hands in like a triangle shape in relation to the pole. Don't want to be too close or too far away. So this looks like a perfect way to put it. And then what I'm going to do is just take that leg off. So remember, the right leg's in front of the pole, left leg comes off because that's behind. Play with that. But then I want to couple it with the idea of pushing my chest against the pole to then come off. See the difference? I'm just trying to hold. And then bring it back. And then lower down, squeezing the pole between your thighs. So we're going to get back up and try that through the side. So when you're in that handstand position and you push your chest against the pole to come off, you really want to think about stacking the weight of your shoulders into your hands. Okay, your shoulders should be on top of your hands. Just think about it that way. So we're up. Show your crucifix first. Hands down. Just find the position that works for you. Play around with that leg. And you realise it's a bit more comfortable when your chest comes away. And back. So that's all there is to your handstand butterfly. It takes a little practice just to get comfortable with it, but it's a gorgeous move and it always impresses an audience. So go and play with it and enjoy.